When there is no access to the plumbing from below, Schluter KERDI drain is installed to the appropriate height and connected to the waistline prior to the installation of the shower base. Here's how to do it in conjunction with the Schluter KERDI-SHOWER-ST prefabricated shower tray. The plumbing is in place and must be secured prior to installation. The center section of the KERDI-SHOWER-ST can be removed and used to establish the appropriate elevation of the KERDI drain. Measure and cut a section of pipe to connect the KERDI drain to the odor trap below the floor. Assemble the components and verify the fit. Alternatively, use the foam spacers included with the drain, which are designed to position the drain at the appropriate elevation. This can be advantageous on projects where the KERDI-SHOWER-ST shower tray may not be installed immediately. Prepare the odor trap, cut section of pipe, and KERDI drain with cleaner, primer, and ABS or PVC cement per the solvent cement manufacturer's instructions. Attach the cut section of pipe to the drain. And connect the assembly to the waistline using a twisting motion. Apply thinset mortar to the substrate. Then apply it to the top and bottom of the detached center section of the shower tray. Slide the center section into place under the drain to ensure solid and uniform support of the bonding flange. Clean away excess mortar. Check the drain for level. The KERDI-SHOWER-ST shower tray can now be installed and work on the shower assembly may continue.